In this video, I'm gonna be showing you one of the fastest ways to make $100 per day on Clickbank and passive income in 2020. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important, and subscribe to my channel right now and turn on post notifications if you like videos about Clickbank, affiliate marketing, make money online, CPA marketing, and things like that. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Now, the strategy we're going to be using for this video is YouTube influencers. YouTube influencers is probably going to be one of the most hyped traffic sources. Well, not traffic sources, but traffic strategies come in 2020 and beyond, because just like Instagram influencers, YouTube is actually 10 times better. Reason being, because with Instagram influencers, you could pay them for a shout out for a day or two, whatever. That's normally what it'd be probably a day or two, and then boom, you got to pay them again or find a new influencer to get more traffic. Now, with YouTube influencers, you could pay them to post your affiliate link or your program, your course, whatever the case may be. You could tell them to shout it out in your video or post it in your description, or both, and make passive income from that day in, day out, week after week, month after month. Because, you know, when the YouTube video is uploaded and it's ranked for a certain keyword, you can make money on that for months, if not years to come. Kind of like how I do with my YouTube channel. Like, I got videos that I made a year or two ago and still make money from to this day. So imagine paying a YouTube influencer that's getting hundreds of thousands of views per day or per month, and you only paid them one time, maybe even a year ago. So that means you're making passive income without even having to build up a channel yourself. So I feel like this is probably going to be one of the most hyped or the most popular traffic sources coming very, very soon, because I'm about to invest a lot of money into this strategy myself to promote affiliate offers and things like that, because most people don't have time to just build up YouTube channels and things like that. So that's why you leverage Instagram, or not Instagram influencers. That's why you leverage influencers in general to promote your offers. So like I said, all you need to do to promote Clickbank offers and make passive income from it is first find an offer. And for this video, just to speed it up, I already found the offer that we're going to use, which is the Overnight Millionaire System by Wesley Virgin. It's one of those law of attraction manifestation type of products a lot of you already know about. So we're gonna be doing is finding some Instagram, well, not, I keep saying Instagram, I'm so used to that, but YouTube influencers in the law of attraction manifestation niche, so we can reach out to them and, you know, see if we can get a promo on their channel. So if you want to watch the video on this the sales page, it's a long video, so I ain't got time to sit here and watch it, but you can go through it yourself. It's basically mind hacks that millionaires use, and by the rich and famous. So I think it's about 7 mind hacks, and it comes with some other bonuses and stuff like that, but I don't got time to go through it right now. But this offer pays out $29 per sale, no rebuild, gravity of 304. So that means that's 304 different affiliates who recently made a sale promoting this product. You can look at the affiliate page of the product. You can actually go to the sales page and see how much traffic it's getting. So right now the product is on the uptrend. You can see it got 348,000 visits last month. People spend around 3 minutes on this website. Let's see, most traffic coming from the United States, India, Canada, UK, and South Africa. You can see which top traffic sources coming from. So social, which is good because that's where YouTube is at, and that's what we want. So this is the affiliate resources. You can I always recommend everybody come to the affiliate resource page for whatever product they're promoting, because if whatever product you're promoting don't have affiliate resources, that product is probably trash. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But you know, just checking this out. Now that we got the offer that we want to promote, now it's time to just find some YouTube influencers that we can use to promote our product. So if you go over to YouTube, you can just search law of attraction, anything related to this product. So like I said, law of attraction, manifestation, however you want to do it. You can open these channels up in a new tab. I recommend probably making a list of 5 to 10 YouTube influencers that you can reach out to. You can do it all at once using Gmail, which I like. So let's say we want to open up this one. I'm about to show y'all how to get their business email so you can send them a promo. So let's see, let's say we want to go with this one, Discipline, Law of Attraction Coaching. Hey, we can try that out as well. And if we go to the manifestation keyword, you can probably open this one up. Erin Doughty, Gem Goddess, Sparkle Marie. Let's see, and maybe her. Let's see. Let me show y'all how I find the email addresses. And to do that, once you go to their channel page, go to the about section. From here, it should say, well, a lot of people, it'll say business address. So, well, business email address. Let me show y'all what that looks like. So that's why I opened up a bunch of them in a new tab, because some of them don't, some of them do. Oh, it's right here, for example, for business inquiries, view email address. You normally got to do some type of captcha or whatever. So click on submit. Now what you want to do is make a list of all of these emails that you find. So like I said, at least, really, I'm not even 5, but 10 or more. Hell, even 30 or 50 if you can. Just sit down and make this list, and you can come over to your Gmail account. Now what I recommend you doing, instead of pasting the email right here, delete it, go click on BCC right here, and then paste each email. So that way, when you're sending out 10, when you send this email out to 10, 20, 100 different influencers, they won't know that you sending a bulk message. It'll just be like you sending the email to them. That's a nice little hack, not too many people know about. So let me X out of this one, go to the about section, see if they got the email here, and right here, once again, for business inquiries, boom, click on submit. Now we got another email. I think I could just, okay, boom, perfect. Go back here, paste that one. We can X out of this one. Aaron Doughty. See if he got it. Yes, he do. View email address. I'm not a robot. Let's copy this one. Paste that here. X out. It's another one. The Gym Goddess. 340K subscribers. Like me personally, I would go with anybody. I don't care if you had 10K subscribers or a million subscribers. Of course, a 10K subscriber channel might only charge $50 to $100. Maybe a 340K subscriber channel might charge $300. I don't know. So it's really a matter of just reaching out and figuring out the price ranges and negotiating with them for better deals. Business inquiries, contact. Boom, there we go. So like I said, not all of them is gonna have their contact information inside the about section. Some of them got it in the description of their video, so you'll just have to do that. View email address, okay. Copy. I think we got one more to do with that one. And Leor Alexandra. Let's see if she got hers. And she do. I'm not a robot. Submit. Copy email address. Simple stuff. Now you might be asking, okay, got the strategy, got the influencer. What am I gonna say to these people to get some promos done? So what I like to do is start my subject with one. Matter of fact, I already got it pre-made, so I don't have to sit up here and type it. But this is my subject line. Promo, you can do promos, business inquiry, anything you want. I like to put the one notification just because it always stands out. I know whenever I'm reading my emails and I see one notification, or if I'm on Facebook and I see this little one, I don't know what it is about this, it's just very attractive. So I like to use it in my promo emails. And for the body section, just copy it, paste it before I talk about it. Boom. Hey, I recently just found your channel and love the value that you share to the community. I kind of made this line right here just so it's broad and general. So if I wanted to send this exact email to channels in 5 different niches, it all makes sense. Hey, I recently just found your channel and love the value you share to the community. I'm reaching out to see how much would you charge to post my program in the description of your next video. And you want to make sure you're picking influencers that upload regularly. If not, just find like an exact video. So let me show y'all, for example. So say for instance, this guy only upload 1 video a month or something like that. You don't want to wait around for him to upload his next video. What you could do is tell him, you can send him an email directly. And let's say, for instance, this video. What I'll do is just copy the video URL with the title and say, hey, how much would you charge to post my program in the description of XYZ video? In this case, this video, 5 signs you are raising your vibration to a whole new pride level. Yep, a whole new level. So that's what I do. Instead, if they don't upload that much, you can see he upload pretty much every day. So you can send this email to him. Here's the link to the program so you can check it out yourself. Now what I like to do is just highlight this, go to the offer page or sales page, whatever you want to call it, copy that link. Well, I don't even think I copied the right link, but right here, definitely want to make sure you open it in a new tab just to make sure it goes. Okay, perfect. So what I like to do is hyperlink this. Where is it? Right here. web address, hit OK, and boom. That's simple. Let me space it out. So let me read this one more time. Hey, I recently found your channel and love the value you share to the community. I'm reaching out to see how much would you charge to post my program in the description of your next video. Here's a link to the program so you can check it out yourself. Thanks. Boom. That's all you got to do. Like I said, make a list of 30 to 50 channels inside of whatever niche that you in. Send an email similar to this. Get the rates down. And if they charging something that's out of your budget, what I recommend you do is just negotiate with them. Let them know like, hey, I plan on working with you long term. So if we can negotiate. So let's say, for instance, they charge $200, but you only got a $100 budget. You're like, hey, for the first video, can we do $100? And after that, if I can get some good results, we can do more business and I can pay the full amount. Whatever the case may be, negotiate, do your thing. And that's pretty much that. It's very, very simple to make passive income on YouTube. This is the #1 way I make money online, not from, paid traffic is great and all, but when you make passive income, that is the most fulfilling income you could probably ever make. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's how I make the most of my money. And if you go to my YouTube channel, for example, let me just show y'all. Even though I'm not promoting any Clickbank products on my channel, I'm promoting my courses, and my courses I make a full-time passive income just from my courses alone, not from the affiliate offers I'm promoting, not from paid traffic, not from AdSense, literally just from my course sales. So if we go to one of my videos right here, you can see this is exactly what I would want. This is exactly what I'm requesting from these influencers. How much would you charge to post my program? And I meant to say the first line of your description, in the first line of your description in your next video, whatever the case may be. And like I said, if you go to my YouTube channel, you can see the first line in my description, I'm promoting my lead course and my free traffic course. And then I can talk about what I'm going to talk about in the video or whatever. But like I said, it's just the gist of it. In all of my videos, I'm promoting my courses, whatever affiliate product I'm promoting. And from that, I make a full-time income. And my channel right here, as you can see, get 35K views per month. So 35K views per month, you can only imagine how many sales I'm making on my courses. But that's just a general overview of this stuff, man. I go over more of this inside of my YouTube passive income course. Step-by-step video course. It got over, I want to say 30 plus videos in here. I'm adding in a bunch of new training covering YouTube ads, which not too many people even talk about to this day. So you got a chance to get access to all of this stuff, and it comes with lifetime updates. So when I do drop the YouTube ads and insert it inside the training, you will get access to it for free if you get the price of it right now, because right now it's only $49 at the time of making this video. So you can get access to it literally as we speak, and you'll pretty much be good to go. But this is definitely a method that I'm going to take 100% advantage of, because I don't have time to just create channels and new niches. I already built this channel up myself since I want to say 2018, like June 2018, whatever. And yeah, now I make a full-time income from it. So the whole strategy of this is just leveraging channels that's already built up, so you don't have to do it yourself. And just paying them a flat fee or a weekly fee, a monthly fee, a daily fee, however you want to set it up with them, so that way you can make passive income just like everybody else do. But that's pretty much all I got for this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this strategy, and are you going to use it for your own business? Subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified when I release my next video. And I will see y'all in the next one.